Yesterday, Iranian government admit that they unintentionally shoot down the aircraft, and which caused 173 people dead. So, what's your reaction to the fact that they admitted eventually?
Okay, my reaction, I was disappointed because they didn't admit from the first time, because everybody suspends that. There's suspension about they shooting the airplane, maybe not intentionally, but they did it because it shattered on the air. Unfortunately, civilian people passed away, and we are very, very sad. Kids and students at university and PhD university student, all of these alive, and even family, and it's so bad. Actually, it's terrible, and felt sad all the day, and life is tough, but people or the government has to wake up because they serve the civilian, not for the enemy, or taken advantage of they having in the government and do whatever they want. This is not fair for the people. Yes.
Okay, another question
Yes.
is that the day before they denied it. We know the
Yeah.
military denied it, but yesterday they eventually admitted.
Yes.
What that tells you? What do you react to? That can change all of a sudden.
No, I know they are lying. I know this suspicion, and I'm sure about it, unfortunately. And I don't believe what they said they are not doing, or they didn't do it. Or no, this is everybody agree. This is a suspicion, and they are sure about it. And now they admit it. They think the people is fool or what? They can't deny it.